So if you want to slightly improve the speed of the Mi Box 4K, then watch this video till the end, because in this video I am going to tell you some tips by which you can slightly improve the speed of the Mi Box 4K. So hi friends, welcome to my channel, and without wasting your time, let's start. Previously, I made one video in which I mentioned that how you can speed up the phone if you're using Xiaomi phone or Xiaomi Redmi phone or any other Android phone. Then I mentioned some tips by which you can speed up the phone, and that video, I got really good response on that video, and I thought that I should make one more video about the Mi Box 4K. And in this video I am going to mention same tips which I have mentioned in that video, means in the previous video about the phone. So starting with the tips, first of all, see that if there is any update. Yeah, I know that this is the basic tip, but check that if there is any update or not. If there is any update, then install it. Next tip is that you have to uninstall the unnecessary apps. If you're not using any app, then uninstall it. Now what happens that this is Mi Box 4K, this is Android TV box, and this is not phone. It has limited storage of nearly 8 GB. Our smartphones have storage of nearly 64 GB, 128 GB, but this is Android TV box, and that's why it has limited storage of 8 GB only. That's why I will recommend that uninstall the unnecessary apps. If you are not using any app, then uninstall it. Next tip is the main tip. For that, you have to click here on device preferences. Then you have to click here on about. Then you have to click here on build. You have to click for nearly 5 to 6 times, and then you will get one message, you are now a developer. Go back. Then you will get this option, developer options. Click here, go down. Here is window animation scale. Reduce it to 0.5x, 0.5x. As you can see, animation scale 0.5x. Click here, then go back. Then next is transition animation scale. Click here. Again you have to reduce it to 0.5x, means 0.5x. Then animator duration scale. Again you have to reduce it to 0.5x. Then go down. In hardware accelerated rendering, here you will get force GPU rendering. You have to turn on this. Then next is this force 4x MSAA. You have to turn on this. Now these two options, force GPU rendering and force 4x MSAA, these are important options. Now what they do, I am going to tell you now. So if you will search on Google that what force GPU rendering does, then it is mentioned that in applications such as smartphone user interfaces with weaker CPUs, force GPU rendering may be enabled for 2D applications to increase frame rates and fluidity. That means any smartphone or Android TV box is packed with weaker CPU. Then if you will enable this option, then it will slightly increase the frame rates and fluidity. This is the use of force GPU rendering. And next thing is what force 4x MSAA does. Now force 4x MSAA, if you will enable it, then it actually balances the game's graphics and performance, and by enabling it you will able to enjoy the game at an almost similar graphics level with improved processing speed. It is mentioned on Google. Some of you will say that it is related to GPU, then how it can improve the speed or improve the performance? Basically, if you will search on Google that are animations in smartphones handled by GPU, if you will search this, then it is mentioned that many of the animations we see every day on Android have been hardware accelerated whole time. For instance, menus popping up, dialog boxes, sliding down the notification bar, transition between activities are being drawn using the GPU. All of this is done using GPU based hardware rendering. So basically, menus popping up, dialog boxes, sliding down the notification bar, and transition between the activities are being done using the GPU. It is mentioned on Google. So basically this option is really useful, and if you will turn on the Force 4X MSAA on any smartphone, then slightly it will drain the battery. But as Android TV box doesn't have any battery, so you can turn it on your Android TV box. It is also mentioned that it will improve the gaming performance, but I have not tried it on this Mi Box 4K, so I cannot tell you that it will improve the gaming performance or not. But I have noticed some difference by enabling these all options. I use these options on my smartphone also, and also I use it on my Mi Box 4K. I am going to turn it off now, and first I am going to tell you, or I am going to show you that how is the speed when you will turn these options off. So I have turned it off. Now if I will open any application, for example YouTube, okay, so it takes some time. Now the time which is required to open any app, mostly it will not reduce that time. What it will do, if you will open any app, then this is the speed. It will reduce the speed, animation speed, and Force GPU rendering and Force 4X MSAA will slightly improve the speed. It will not gradually improve the speed, but it will slightly improve the speed. Now again I am going to turn on all these options, and I am going to show you the difference. Okay, developer options, then window animation scale, 0.5x, 0.5x, and this also 0.5x. Force GPU rendering on, Force 4X MSAA on. Now see the difference. As you can see, animation speed has been reduced. Now if you will open any application, so this was the difference. I know that it is not really major difference, but you can say that this is the minor difference. But by enabling this option, you can actually feel the difference. Animation speed will be reduced, and also slightly there will be improvement in the performance. That's it. I hope you guys have liked this video. Please hit the like button and comment and tell me that how was this video. Also follow me on Instagram. Instagram ID is Saumil_AAT. And if you have not watched the previous video which was related to smartphone, that how you can speed up the phone, then link is in the description. See you guys in the next video. Till then, bye bye.